Nice. That's different guys from the cart though, right? You got both?
Yeah, they both. It's a sus campfire, dude. I don't remember putting that there. Man's in the Joe. You know he's in Dusty. Oh! 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 Oh my god! I knew that shit was gonna hit, bro. Oh my god, I had no bloom on that shot. Oh my god. Skirt.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh, you think it's all fun and games, don't you, brother? My shit wasn't reloaded, dog. Fuck! I would have hit that shit. Easy clap. Come on, dog. She burned my blunts, burned my motherfucking cash. I was doing so good, but she had me so bad. She was down with the shit, but she moving so fast. I know she seen it all, she that typical bad. Yeah, yeah. And all that she did was improve on my photos. All of that yelling and strain on my mojo. Right below me, dog. I was a mess, I was up in my zone. I'm about to hit a clip. She a G, that's a typo. Shorty,
I don't understand it. You're changing.